Hi, this is Max Riddle showing off my Hangman for assignment 3. First things first, leaderboard does not work. I was unable to implement that. But everything else does work, so here is our Hangman game running. I just started up the server and the client just now. Let's get a sample game going. Start new game. Hint feature does work. Looks like I'm gonna win this one. Method and winner. With the points and misses available. Now I will show another game to give examples of error handling. Here we see that we cannot give the same letter twice if it's already been guessed. We also have error handling for empty inputs. And we cannot give guesses if the word is already complete. It will return this error. And now I will show off the logic of this. When a player guesses a letter, so when a player guesses a letter, we will start it off here where the if block recognizes that it's just a letter. If not, we'll send it to the word. I just found a bug here. This is supposed to be guess word. My fix is actually right here. Not the best fix, but I just route it to guess word if the length is longer than 1. I did not realize that I was calling guess word, and that's where my real issue was. So a bit weird implementation here. But yep, so we send that letter in a JSON to the server. And then we get our response, validate that response exists and that we got the OK. And then we call this method here to print the hangman with all of the information given, such as the misses, the points, the stage, and the word. And then here's our win handling. Otherwise, we will have an error and we will display that message to the client's console. And on the server side, how are we determining and handling that letter being sent? We have our handle letter guess. First, we gotta validate that we're even in a game. We're creating our response right here. I'm also asserting here to make sure that our redacted word is the same length as our secret word. Otherwise, this logic and that I show you will not work. So definitely make sure that's true. And then we verify that the letter is a string type, and then we validate that the letter is not empty. Make sure that it's lowercase, and then make sure that it already has not been guessed. Otherwise, we'll send a response saying try again, technically an error. And then here's the real logic. We will set correct guess flag to false. We will add the guess to our used letters tracker /list. And then I'm going to use a string builder here basically to replace any instances of our guess. Replacing the empty slots with our guess. If the guess is correct, we do that by looping through the secret word and then comparing character by character the guess with our secret word. And then if so, we use string builder to modify our redacted word. Given the points, set that correct guess flag to true, and then if it is true, then we pack it up in a JSON and send it.